Hi, it's Hardreset, and today I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So the first things first is take a cloth and just wipe the screen. If you have any screen protector, you can take it off. And if none of this worked, then click and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously and hold them for around 10 seconds to forcefully restart your phone. And then it should come back to normal after the phone is restarted. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.